Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Let's get started first. Made my eyebrows. If you want to know how can I made a perfect eyebrows, you can watch my previous videos. Now you watch this trick and tips. Eyebrows should be done perfectly. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a beautiful eye makeup. First I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes and blend it well. And after that I will fix it well with the help of this powder. After that I will turn my nose here and will counter my nose. Then I take this eyeshadow light color on my eyes and blend it very well in my both eyes. Sorry, not my eyes, it's my makeup practice board. And then I applied this light brown color on my eyes and blended very well. And then I take this peach color eyeshadow on my crease line and blend it in round shape. And then I apply this black eyeshadow on my middle crease eyes and blend it very well. After the applying this black eyeshadow blending in round shape. And then I apply this eye glitter glue on my eyes. Look at this beautiful black glitter, I loved it, that's why I apply this eyes makeup video. If you purchase this beautiful black glitter, you write this video comments, inshallah I will provide this Instagram page link on my description box, and you watch full my video and subscribe my channel. I hope you like my all videos, and I request you all my viewers you share my videos your friends, your relatives and your cousins.
Trust Allah for everything, no matter what. You lose, you trust Allah. You win, you trust Allah. You gain, you trust